How to edit your Facebook Reels after posting. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now head towards the profile page. For that, click on the profile picture given at the top left corner. With that, you'll land to your profile page. Now scroll down. Head towards the reel that you want to edit. At the top right corner of the reel, you'll find 3 dots. Click on it. Different options will appear such as pin post, save reel, edit privacy and many more. But you won't find the option to edit this reel. As of right now, if you have already uploaded the reel in your Facebook account, you are not able to edit it. If you want to make any changes in your Facebook reel, what you have to do is delete the current reel and re-upload it. At the moment, the only way to edit your Facebook reel is by deleting the current one and re-uploading it. Well, I hope now you guys are clear if you can edit your Facebook Reels after posting or not. If in the future Facebook comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.